Si Tito AI, oh, at si Tito I, feeling daw siya na before mag-end ang month, may flash crash. What do you think? Ikaw may feeling yan eh. Ganito po yan. One thing I learned sa pagte-trade from stock market, crypto, and forex for almost 2 decades, no? Na-realize ko na it doesn't matter kung may flash crash or wala, may big move or wala, may slow move or wala. What only matter is, are you prepared for that? What are you going to do kung meron man? But it's also good na nade-develop natin, syempre, yung instinct natin. Tama po yan, instinct. Yung feeling ko meron, di ba? So, minsan, may mga gut feel ka na tumutugma.
Yes!
And over time, yung gut feel na yon na-enhance mo. Meaning, minsan pagkabago ka dito sa market, sasabihin mo, yung mga gut feel mo, mas maraming hindi simushoot kesa dun sa mga nagkakatotoo. But over time, pagka na-experience mo na yung market, mafe-feel mo na tataas yung batting average mo pagdating sa gut feeling. Kasi pina-factor in mo yung news, pina-factor in mo yung technical analysis, pina-factor in mo yung hype, pina-factor in mo yung fear and greed index, etc. So, lahat yung pag pinagsama-sama mo, nagkakaroon ka ng bias. Alright? Nagkakaroon ka ng feeling. So, kung nafe-feel nyo po na may flash crash, syempre makikita mo, ma-assess mo yan, mukhang malaking possibility may flash crash. What are you going to do? Are you preparing kung sakali man meron? Whether meron kang position or na-open or wala kang position, what are you going to do? Lagi pong ganun eh. Kasi wala naman kasing 100% talaga makakapag-predict ng market. The traders na tumatagal dito sa business na to are the traders na kayang mag-adapt kung ano man yung binibigay sa kanila ng market. Follow for more Tito Moves.